Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about minerals. What are minerals and what are the types and what is the requirement and also its function and deficiency we are going to discuss. Minerals are inorganic substances obtained from earth, and you may have heard about mining. Mining and minerals relates to the substances obtained from the earth or present in the earth, and minerals account for about 4% of the body weight, like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and vitamins. This is also one of the important component of living system. Minerals like vitamins do not yield energy, even though they don't give energy, but they are required for normal growth, maintenance, repair, and regulation of vital body functions. So in this slide, I am going to show you. This illustration shows a lot of food that we are going to take in the routine habits, food habits, and these contains one or other type of minerals which are required for the functioning of our body. And the minerals and our body is having a relationship, where you can see in this illustration: manganese required for nervous system function, zinc for brain function and alertness, potassium for sends oxygen to the brain, and molybdenum enzyme production and activation. Like that, so many minerals having its own vital importance in our metabolic process, like zinc, phosphorus, calcium, manganese, copper, calcium, magnesium, chlorine, potassium, iron, sulfur, etc. Coming to the topic minerals, there are 54 that are found on the earth. Only a few, about 25, are present in the body, and these minerals are called essential minerals. And these essential minerals are divided into two groups based on the daily requirement, and they are major elements are macro minerals and trace elements are micro minerals. The major elements are macro minerals, which are having a daily requirement of more than 100 mg per day, and those minerals are called major elements or macro elements, and they include calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. These are required in our daily requirement of minerals, which is about more than 100 mg per day. Hence, they are macro minerals or major elements. In this, you can see the pink color illustrations having the major minerals or macro minerals required in large quantity. Coming to the trace elements or micro minerals, it is required less than 100 mg per day, and those minerals are called trace elements or micro minerals, and they are iron, copper, manganese, zinc, iodine, molybdenum, selenium, cobalt, and fluoride. These trace minerals, even though they are required in less quantity of less than 100 mg per day, they play a vital important role in various metabolic functions. And these trace elements are listed in blue color, and hence in this illustration you can see both macro minerals and micro minerals are trace elements or trace minerals required for our body. The electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, manganese, calcium, chlorine are single mineral elements that function as electrolytes, and electrolytes are inorganic substances, either single mineral elements or compounds, and they that can dissociate and exist as charged particles as either cations or anions in the solutions. These minerals acts as electrolytes since they carry charges and hence helpful in various electro-related functions of the body. Coming to the biological role of minerals or general function of minerals, minerals have diverse physiological and biochemical functions. The few listed functions of minerals in our body is structural components. They act as structural components such as calcium present in the form of various combination in bones and teeth, and also structural components of tough soft tissue such as liver, muscle, where phosphorus, potassium, iron and sulfur is involved. Sulfur is a fundamental constituent of skin, hair and nails. And coming to the fluid balance, the volume and distribution of water in the body and various body compartments determined largely by minerals like sodium, potassium, chloride and all macro minerals or major minerals like calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. These minerals are involved in the fluid balance of our body, and hence the minerals we are consuming is vital for maintaining the fluid level in the body. Coming to acid balance or acid base balance, minerals like sodium, potassium or phosphorus involved in acid base balance of the body, maintaining the pH of the blood in form of various buffer systems, and also they are involved in nerve cell transmission and muscle contraction. The exchange of sodium and potassium across the nerve cell membrane, if you have studied nerve physiology, where you can study about resting potential, action potential, which involves minerals carrying charges, causes the transmission of nerve impulses. Calcium stimulates the muscle contraction, and sodium, potassium, and magnesium are involved in the muscle relaxation. Hence, it shows that it is required for muscular activity and other process. Thank you.